We can start.
Okay. Hello, guys. Welcome to People with MarketSmith. Before beginning with our analysis, we would like to give you a disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI or membership of BASL and certification from NISM is no way guarantees performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk and read all the related documents carefully before investing. So let's move on with Nifty 50. Yesterday, we saw a very good momentum trading in Nifty 50. Before the first morning hour, we saw a little bit of slack over there where the market moved a little bit down, touched the bottom, and definitely moved to a higher level and closing almost around 223 points above. But as you can see that the volumes over here do not speak for themselves, right? The volumes over here are comparatively less to the downtrend market, which was on the previous day, which still keeps us in a little bit of a doubt. But as you can see that we are still above the 21 and the 50 DMA, which is a good sign. And also in a healthy tradition, we could say it's in a confirmed uptrend itself, according to William O'Neill's methodologies. But let's understand the market structure at first, right? As you can see that the markets have been moving slowly and steadily towards the upside, and the volumes have been considerably average, right? Compared to the previous volumes over here as well, you can see that they have been considerably average over here, which is why it's a concern that how the markets will continue to push up. So this is one thing that you have to keep in mind about how the markets can react from moving on forward. As you can see that the volumes are going to be a huge concern over here as well. Now, the key news over here are some of the results today, which is Adani Total Gas, Central Bank of India, Inside Industry, REC, Symphony, IOC, Havels India, and others. NMDC increased the lump ore price by 400 rupees to 6,200 per ton and fines by 200 per ton to 5,260 per ton. UCO Bank's Q4 FY24 net interest income grew 10.9% year on year to 2,187 crores. Profit fell 9.5% year on year to 525 crores. KEC won new orders worth 1,036 crore across its various businesses, including transmission and distribution projects in the Middle East and America. KFin Technology revenue grew 4% quarter on quarter, but their margins have expanded to a much more exponential level, which is at 45.8% compared to 44.8%. RVNL gets LOA for a project worth 439 crore from Southern Railway. Tata Chemicals Q4 EBITDA declined 54% year on year, and margins also contracted to 12.7 compared to 21.9 year on year. The global markets, as you can see, have been indicating a very small move towards the upside or no move towards the upside, which is a very flattish scenario right now, which is why we would also see a similar effect coming into our Nifty as well. As you can see over here, SGX Nifty is currently trading at 22, close to 800. Let's just round it off to 22,800. And yesterday's future closing was at 22,750. So close to 50 points of a gap up is what we can expect in our Nifty opening today, which is not a very big gap up after a huge momentum, especially coming from yesterday, which is again one thing to watch out for. The stock of the day would be Trent over here. As you can see that there has been a volume impulsive move over here with a breakout towards the upside from especially a consolidation base, which is again a second consolidation base that has been coming over here. As you can see, the number of funds also have increased significantly, with their EPS changes also being in a upward trend itself, which is again a good sign for Trent. And the yesterday's quarter-on-quarter results as well were comparatively good, which is why you saw this kind of a move coming in, right? So we would wait another a day as well to see whether or not this momentum is going to get continued by the stock. And according to William O'Neill methodologies, we will have to look into the factor that 21 DMA and 50 DMA are not broken. As you can see that there has been a close and narrow range over here at the 21 and the 50 DMA, which is why we have to still stick to the fact that whether or not it closes above for another day and continues to push up. Thank you so much, guys, and hope to see you on Thursday at the same time.